this video, I will show you how to transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. So from a Coinbase app, we're going to click on Transfer at the bottom right, and here we're going to click on Receive Crypto. Select Ethereum in here. Here select the network, and please be sure that the network you select on your Coinbase wallet is exactly the same as on your Trust Wallet. Because if you do not match these networks, then your crypto might get lost. So I'm going to go with the default one, and that is Ethereum. And in here I have my wallet address, and I'm going to copy this to my clipboard. And right now I'm going back to my Trust Wallet app. In your Trust Wallet app, click on Send from your home screen. In this section you're going to click on All Networks, and in here we're going to select Ethereum. And here we're going to select ETH, and this is on the Ethereum network, and that is the same one as on our Coinbase, so then our networks are matching. So let's click on this. And in this section, paste in the wallet address from Coinbase and enter the amount down below. So I'm going to transfer $4 of Ethereum, and I'm going to click on Next. And here you can see the fees that you will be paying, and if everything is okay, you're going to click on Confirm down below. So our transaction is in progress, and this will take a couple of minutes for it to arrive to our Coinbase. So let's go over to our Coinbase app to see if it has been arrived. So in my Coinbase app, I see that my balance has increased, and when I go to transactions, on top I see that I have received my Ethereum. So that is how you transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Coinbase. If this video was useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my YouTube channel.